Assalamualaikum friends. Today I am going to unbox this spray Formula 1 RC stunt car. This car has all-terrain tires, spray function, automatic rehearsal, 360 rotation, powerful motor and 2.4 GHz control system. The spray function also uses the 2.4 GHz frequency signal does not interfere. Okay, let's unbox it. By the way, it is for 6+ ages. This is open. This is number 1. The name of the car is Sprint and these are LED lights inside of it. These tires make it rotate in 360-degree crab walk, and this is where the spray comes from. Okay, this car comes with the watch to control it and the remote control. I don't know how to use the watch, so I will use the remote control. Okay, let's start it up. The remote control is on and the car is... Oh, sorry. Now the car is on. Now it is going to start. Let's start it up. Start it engine. Okay, this M button makes it go automatically. This is the button for the sound. And this is the secret button. Look at behind the car. This is smoke coming out of it. Okay, if you tap this, tap on that, tap on that. So this is the crab walking F1 car. Allah Hafiz. Okay, I am going to play with my car. Bye.